Might be another keeper. It might be short. We'll see. Damn, they're all up in this grass. He is 15. Sweet. Yep. That's 3 so far. We just got here. Beautiful day for fishing. Yeah. Sorry, fish. I don't know what's going on here. I already got the slime hands. Really got to set the hook. There we go. Come here. Yeah. Another keeper. He's a big boy. Ow, stop hitting me. This one is 17. This 3JD lure. It's kicking ass. Only been here, what, maybe 45 minutes. Already got 4 trout. Yeah, buddy. One more, I got my limited trout. Ah, I missed one. There we go. Got another one. 4. Yeah, this one's too small. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. You want to try out one of these 3JD lures?
Is that new one you've been talking about?
Yeah. I got a couple. He's about 14. Let him go. Yeah, I know, right? That's good though. They'll spend the rest of the day just having fun. Exploring, trying to find new fish. That's the way to do it. This lure's fucking gone though.
I took the skunk out of the boat.
Yeah. It was that $20 you found. And my 2 shooting stars.
Yeah. I just made a big old squirrel right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. Oh, okay. Here. I don't have it on this one anymore, do I? Nope. I got 2 of them we can try. Damn it. Here we go.
Oh, see, they both, oh, it's slimy right here.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing. I got one of these left. We'll try out these other ones though. I got a whole bunch. This one is what I was killing it on last time.
Oh yeah?
Here, you can try one of those. I'm gonna try the little bit darker ones, the red flakes. What size weight you got on there? Or jig?
I think it's a shooter. I need a lighting. I get down too fast into that grass.
Yeah. I have a 16th. I have a 16th right here.
I have some. I just...
Yeah, when you already got it on, you just want to keep casting. You're like, yeah, we'll see what happens. You already got one, so it's not too bad. Maybe just straight retrieve it. Yeah, it's shallow here too. Nice. Get him. Get him. Oh, there we go. Another small guy. He's cold too. Hey, open your mouth, dude. Come on. Seriously, stop biting the thing. I'm gonna let you go. Okay. There you go. Nice. Hey, let go. Couple small guys, but they're here, so that's good. Need one more. I saw a splash over there. Let's see if I can get whatever that was. Ah! Damn it. Might have been a flounder. Oh crap, right here. Right at the boat. Another red. Ugh. Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out. Right here at the boat. 3JD freaking lures. Awesome. Nice little red. Probably not a keeper. Definitely not. 18. Okay, bye red. Nah, I don't think so. Ooh, there's some stuff jumping over there. Let's go see what it is. He is 16. There's some jumping right over there. Let's see if I can untangle this and catch another one. There we go. Right up that way. Nope, that's not where it was at. But maybe you might get lucky. Yeah. Another red. They're all up on this flat right here. Nice little red. Chill out, dude. Chill out. You'll be set free. Where's your older brother, though? Or your sister? Ah. No, 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 no. Don't scare all the fish. Don't scare all the fish. Sure is fun catching them, though. See if there's any more. I know there's got to be more. up there. Some jumping going on up there. See if I can cast it that far. Not sure where they went. Oh, there's some wake over there. You can try that side. Can't throw that far though. There we go. There we go. It's a better size one. He's got some fight in him. He sure got some fight in him. Oh yeah. He might be a slot. Just might be. I should probably get my fish grips out. Hey, can you stop biting, please? I'll let you go if you're not big enough. There we go. He is 17. It was a fun fight though. See you later, bud. See you later. No, he came off. Damn it. I need to start setting this hook or put my drag up a little bit more. Fuck. Sorry for the language. Like a good one too. Just gotta look for a splash and then throw it to that area. It's been working pretty good. Working pretty good. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, I thought he got off. He's still on. He's still on. He's still on. Stay on there, fish. Dang. I thought he got off. Nice and red. Which way did you hook yourself? It's a chance. My jig head is all messed up. Can I see your fin, please? Thank you. Homeboy, open your mouth for like 2 seconds. Why don't I just get my pliers? Look at all the spots. 4 spots. 3 on this side. He is 17. See you later, fish. Good fight, good fight. Oh, he's not ready. Definitely not ready. Come here. Come here, you. Yeah. These reds love this flatter for some reason. Guess it's warm enough for them to start feeding. Did we already catch you earlier? I think I did. I need to get my pliers. It's in your mouth. There we go. He is 18. See you later, Red. Oh, there's Red right here. I think so, or that's mullet. One of the two. See if I can get it. Right up here. Bigger? Yeah. Oh, he's double hooked. There's one. And get the second one. Come on. There's the second one. He is 17. Damn, as soon as it dropped. That's a bigger one. Might be slot. Might be. Yeah, looks pretty close. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Definite keeper. Woo! Heck yeah. Right. Come on out. Did he hit it on the fall? Once it fell, yeah. He freaking just swallowed it. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Come here, Trout. Make room for your new friend, the redfish. I'm pretty sure there's more. Well, lay you down real quick, Mr. Fish. Don't go all crazy, please.
Hold him up.
Hold on. Slot. Dude, right up in this cut right here.
I think we wanted to get to that little channel now.
But I keep seeing them right up in here. See how it's flat?
Yeah.
It's a little bit deeper.
I think they're right there in the front.
Yeah, because all those birds are right there.
Huh?
All those birds are right there. There we are. I had a bite. Damn it. I need to change this jig head. But I don't want to stop catching fish. Oh, right there. Here we go. Right there. Come on. Yeah. A small one. Another rat. And he come right out. See you later, fish. Have a nice swim. Ugh. Oh, he came off. Fuck. Yeah. He's just going to your left. Holy shit, I'm right under you. Yeah. Open your mouth, homie. Get him, Jesse. Yeah, they are. I got my limit. It's time to catch some for fun now. So we have that school right there. See if I can pick one, get one real quick. Where? Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, is that them up there?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're all big.
Let's go get them. There's a school of reds right around here.
That's your 3, huh?
Yeah.
You need enough. All you need is one deck.
Oh, it came off. Shit. Oh, he got off.